Ano sinasabi ko? Ganun lamang po, ending na po yon. 30 pesos na po yon. Okay, at least yung premyo, limpak-limpak naman. Ipapasok kayo po sa Jollibee pagdating nyo po ng 19 years old. 'Di ba? So, 10 years pa. So, susunod naman po. 17 pwede na, mother. 70 ba? 70 pesos pa lang entrada. So, tuloy na po natin sa ating contestant number 2, Neil Swagger.
My moves on there, everybody trying to do it. I lead the functions and all the ladies trying to screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do it. Niggas love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Bitches be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it started glooming. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it.
Taste me how to dance, taste me how to dance. Taste me how to dance.
All my bitches love me, all my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my dirty.
Taste me how to dance. Taste me how to dance. Taste me how to dance.
All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. All my bitches love me. You ain't fucking with my dirty.
The name is Young.
Thank you very much, Neil Swagger. Super sayaw pa naman siya. Gusto niya yung sayaw. O, dumuli-tuloy sa inyo yan, ha? Okay? Ang susunod naman po nating kalahok, Aljon Swagger. Ba't puro sila mga swagger? Walang swangit. Taray, ha? Parang sasayaw din ako. Parang dancer din ako. Ano ba yan? Mali ako ng suot? Clay na.